It's been a while. Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and we had a little small hiatus of creating videos there for a minute, but we've been accumulating a bunch of videos for us to be able to have a little buffering time while we're shooting in between and editing. We ran into a couple problems. We had a little small COVID outbreak. I got COVID from Infocom. One of the other guys got, one of our technicians got COVID like the week after, and then Chris, our editor here, videographer, he got COVID too. So there's like this transition period where we're all rotating through this COVID. We all got from different parts that also tanked installs and stuff, or filming of installs. So we're back. We got a small little clip to show you on this one, and then we're gonna be back into our regular schedule of our videos. Our office is almost completely done. The last thing we have to finish is the YouTube room. We got no screens behind me. We don't know what we're gonna do. We might redesign this. We might put a logo up here. We might put the 1x2 back up here. We still got a lot of stuff to do as far as this room goes, but the warehouse as a whole is almost done. We got a couple other things we're going to be showing you guys coming up. We have, I just bought another vehicle that we have for some of the installers to use. Keep an eye out for all the new updates. Check out this video. Sorry it's been a while. See you guys in the next one. Later.